Fantastic day. Fantastic day everyone! In the last video we've rambled about technical details of the game. The game itself is in a very good progress. We're almost at the point where we need to start working on the game content, because right now the game is a bit empty. Previously, the way to add content was to create a bunch of JSON files with their configuration manually. It would take a very long time to create content, especially maps, because each map tile or object would require a section in JSON. The position of the tile, texture, and etc. And there are gonna be thousands of objects on the map. So doing it manually by writing would hurt our fingers. Therefore, the solution is obvious. Find a good map editor. We interrupt this program to inform you that we have not found any good map editors that would give us the flexibility that we need. Sorry about that. Yeah, so I decided to create my own map editor. I've made some editors back in the days, like this very first one. That was a complete trash though. There was this one, which was much better. In the trash it goes. And finally, the new, the fancy, the dark, the Iron Gods Map Editor 3. So basically, it works on the same principles as my game. The graphical user interface is React, and the scene itself is the Pixie.js. Here you can see the assets that are available to be used. If you select the folder that contains the assets, they will appear in the window. Now, to select an asset, you just click on it and start placing it into the scene. I've also implemented a snapping functionality. So when you press Shift, it snaps to the other asset. If you want to edit your currently placed assets, you can click on the select tool or press V, and you can move, delete, and duplicate these assets. Additionally, I've implemented a selection rectangle in order to select multiple assets, and the same actions apply to the selection. Also, you can move these assets using arrow keys in case you want to fine-tune it. You can hold Shift to move them by 10 pixels each time. There is also a camera feature to observe your map. Just click on the middle mouse button and move your mouse. You can also zoom by rotating the mouse wheel. And of course, the most important feature of them all, the Ctrl-Z, so that you can undo and redo your edits. You can save and load your maps. Actually, I'm not sure why I'm saying you all the time. I don't even know if you will have access to the editor. Maybe if this video reaches 20,000 likes, I'll release it to the public in order for you to contribute maps for the game. Yes, yes. Anyways, this is it for the editor itself. In the future, we have plans to add more features like spawn point editor, portals, actions areas where something should happen if you enter a specific area, and more. Thank you very much for watching and have a fantastic day. Oh, and I keep forgetting to say, subscribe!